Come to Umkosi no Makajane. I am Umakajane. Umkosi says and I'm it's about Mpumelelo no Vuyokazi. So after so many speculations and rumors about a pregnancy Vuyokazi, so she finally came out and utshele Mpumelelo that she is indeed pregnant on the final episode of Izingane Zes'thembu. Guys, I am so sad. I don't want to lie. But I really enjoyed Izingane Zes'thembu as I always enjoy Izithando Zes'thembu. I think content of him and bahlala basinika something to talk about. But again, that was the final episode of Izingane Zes'thembu. We'll be looking forward for season 2. Vuyokazi showed I think it gave Mpumelelo pregnancy test as she also said she was not feeling well and decided to take a pregnancy test, and it's only to find out that she is pregnant with baby number 2. I guys Mpumelelo azange to happy, but maybe he was shocked, or maybe nje bang expectanga because this year uzoba adila nama-baby ayi-2. We know that Utirelo, which is the second girlfriend, just gave birth to a baby boy, and Vuyokazi naye pregnant. Ngapha banomhlophazi naye akaqali isikolo. She's 4 years, so you understand ukuthi unokunenge ebladini lakhe. So but again, they even went for an ultrasound, guys. Yes, Vuyokazi pregnant, and it seems like she is 3 months pregnant. Or the time they recorded that thing, that episode, she was 3 months pregnant. We are not sure good uhamba guphi, but yeah, she is pregnant. The only thing manje we must pray for is good athole umntana umfana, because uTrell uthole umntana umfana, and we know ukuthi kumusamselo kwabantwana babafana they mean a lot. Even umntana kamayeni umntana kamangwabi wentombazana, she said ukuthi ubaba uthanda abantwana babafana, hence athanda umnini or abekela umnini phezulu than bona amantombazana akabeki indawo. So into Vuyokazi mele ethandazele manje ukuthi athole umntana umfana, because mangatholi umntana intombazana kuyofana nje. Mina I for one I am disappointed. Angazi ukuthi ngithini, because uthi umuntu akuhluphe ngomntana oqala umzalela umntana wesi-2 aseke kuyokuhlupha. Vuyokazi is 25 angithi she's still at school, so kuyomela miss imfundo zakhe usazonakekela umntwana, because uma yena ushilo ukuthi yena andizi kokusala nomunye umntwana andingeni. So that means lo mntana lo kokho Vuyokazi azinakekelele yena or amukise ekubo. Even if uzomukisa kubo kuyomela linde pregnancy. Guys, the pregnancy difficult, we all know. It pregnancy mase uheavy nje, you know ukuthi isikolo sizoba nzima. Isikolo soba nzima, uzofocus encwadini zakho uphinde ufocus ku pregnancy. Nini uyagula, nini check up kwa doctor e-clinic. Ngiyabona yonke lento le, but mina I for one am disappointed. Ngifile ngathi ubeke Mpumelelo kuqala than yena. How futhi nje usafunda, we understand your disappointment nje family yakhe. Usafunda unomntwana wokuqala wamthola wokuqala, lo mfana zangabe supportive mfana nokuqala. Lo mfana uthanda amantombazana, asiyeke nje lo omaziyo. Lo mfana uthanda amantombazana, awukashadi akakamloboli nje 4 years, uhleli 4 years, una more than 4 years as Mpumelelo, but yet even now akakamloboli, and engathi awatshengisa amasayini okulobola. Mangathola umntana ontombazana uzolobola itirelo kuqala, but ke bazala bamziso mhlambe ichoice yakhe, uyayazi into ayenzayo. As uQueen Loli, guys, nibonile ivideo kaQueen Loli, umzulu uQueen Loli uyasho ukuthi akafuni yena ukudelela amantombazana azalele makubo. Ya understand ukuthi nasesigodini sabo Vuyokazi bazosho ukuthi noma ngabe uzalela indoda enemali, egcineni akusiyo indoda yakhe, yi-boyfriend. Noma ngabe uzalela indoda eyimillionaire, egcineni akusiyo indoda yakhe, yi-boyfriend. And uma yena ushilo ukuthi Mpumelelo akasebenzi, Mpumelelo akanamali. So i-situation kaMpumelelo neyaka Musamseleku ayifani, because uMusamseleku wathatha isithembu at the age of 22, but already bekasasebenza kamasipala and bekasanento ebambekayo. Lo akasebenzi akanamali, uyawondlelwa nale ngane. But ke bazali bamziso, that is also all for today. Please comment down below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.